mina ngizwe kahle, there's no way ungaba nomuntu for 30 years
Sure.
uhambe ngama Lamborghini,
Sure.
ushintsha ama BMW,
Sure.
ushintsha ama Mercedes Benz,
Sure.
azabe nemali yokwenza amanye ama businesses,
Sure.
kodwa angacabangi ukuyovela ekhaya.
Yo.
And
Imali ikhona. A fish and a bird, they can fall in love.
Yeah.
But the question is, where will they live? Because of for ifish kuze isuke emanzini iyofa. For the bird kuze isuke iyongena phakathi emanzini iphile nefish izofa. Umbuzo then uyema lo mjita lo noma kungathiwa uyamthanda, he ticks all the boxes fun. He ticks all the boxes. He's gentle, he's kind, uyamona, he drives beautiful cars. But inkolo, when it comes to the belief ukuthi ukholelwa kwini lo muntu lo, ukhonzani lo muntu lo, because of remember sometimes there are people whose success it's as a result of their belief. Umuntu noma kungathiwa uzifika kangakanani, there will be signs ukuthi akayona lento athi uyiyo.
abafazi noma bangaqhamba amanga.
Sure.
It is in every woman's dream. One day okumuntu nje ayohlonipha abazali bami. Abazali bami bake badla imali kungikhulisa kahle.
Sure. You know khona statement esithandwa ubusho abosisi.
Sure.
But if you love me, you'll come with me to church.
Ifana nalento ukuthi uzothola umuntu ephuza
Sure.
as umuntu wesifazane.
Sure.
Umthole ephuza. Umthole nje agalavanta.
Hey.
Umthole nje athanda ubumnandi.
Hey.
Bese uyitshela ukuthi uzomshintsha. UJesu wena.
Hayi. Do you know ukuthi ukungamthembi umuntu kugcina kumenze achite kwamampela noma bengachite?
Hey. Njoba angafuni ukukulobola kunabantu abazolimala uma angeza ukuthi wena ulobole wena.
Sure.
Because mabunda I discovered abanye abantu abenza izinto.
Sure.
Ingoba abenza izinto eziserious.
Sure.
Ingoba ba protect ama feelings abanye abantu. This is a real talk mabunda, I've just spoken. Sithandane nabantu.
Sure.
Aba pretend ungathi bayithanda into esiyenzayo.
Sure.
Kanti abayithandi bangenela ukuzobulala lento uJehova ubizele yona.
Sbu.
Ngiyedolweni ngithandaza engimbiza uNkulunkulu engithandaze but ngishayilini.
Sure.
Sisters ba wangithinta la. Guess what?
What?
Hey baba uyarasa. Uyarasa.
Hayibo. Greetings South Africa, this is Amadoda Anyakazi Sumuzi. Bafethu, welcome to yet another episode of Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakazi Sumuzi. As always, I'm not alone. I'm with Sbuda the Buddhas. Sbuda?
Yeah.
Keep ifuba ndoda, skipper.
Nithengazi nings. Yeah, what up? This is Buddha.
Yeah, nigga.
Ne Ukraine.
I'm great, put you right.
No, I'm good, sir. I'm good. Sibingelele yonke South Africa umhlaba wonke. Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakazi Sumuzi. This is episode 14.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm correct.
Sir.
Yes.
Correct, maniwa.
Yeah, no. Thank you so much,
Yeah,
dude. Hey nganginyanya ka bangibiza ngodude umsisi wangibiza ngodude
Ngibiza ngodude
ngathi ngibari dude yeah but no, thank you so much guys for those who are subscribing, for those who are commenting.
Yes, sir.
For those who are watching Real Talk, and I've seen Putman kunama real fans
we're
Real Talk, yeah, but yeah siyabonga kakhulu.
Sabonga kakhulu bhuti. Without any waste of time, today into ngifuna sikhulume ngayo. Bafethu ngixolele man, I'm not feeling well. I'm having a flu. Hopefully I'll be fine. I know that even in the last previous episode I told you that guys I had flu. I got hold namhlanje yabona, but hopefully ngizoba grand. Bhuti
Mabundu.
Straight to the topic of the day.
Sure.
Into ngifuna sikhulume ngayo. Mapi ama advantages nama disadvantages bhuti. Okuthandana nomuntu that is outside of inkolo yakho.
Sure.
Let's say uthola ukuthi ke lo sisi lona usindisiwe kodwa uthanda ubrother ongasindiswa or vice versa.
Sure.
Mapi ama disadvantages uzithola ukuthi asithi ngeke umthole umuntu ongathandana naye outside of Christianity.
Sure. yeah njalo
I'll be honest ngisho kuyenzeka umthole but iza nama disadvantages noma somtholile get what I'm saying uthola ukuthi niyafanelana but i-clash ibe khona when it comes to inkolo zenu because in life it's beyond just into yokuthandana uthola ukuthi ke uma umntwana ezalwa kunama rituals uma uthola ukuthi those things they clash
but
sure
yeah uyithintile yeah ithintile asivele sihlabe lenkomo silahle phansi
sure
I'm glad this is a real talk
sure
as much as lento sokhuluma ngayo ifaka inkolo nanjani but
sure.
this is a real talk
sure
and these things are happening
sure
you understand
sure
kuyingozi but ukuthandana nomuntu one belief ehlukile kuneyakho
sure
because kuliqiniso ukuthi ayiphelele esontweni
sure
but iyangena nasekhaya
sure
la nihlala khona
sure
thola ukuthi manje umunye ukholele entweni ethize
sure
and nomunye ukholele entweni ethize
sure
and I'm going to be honest with you but
sure.
I'm going to be honest nawe
sure
owesifazane othandana nomuntu nomushade nomuntu othize
sure
onenkolo ethize
sure
lo wesifazane kufanele tha submit kwinkolo yendoda there's no negotiate about it
finish
yeah because once a woman says yes
yeah
you are saying yes to kuNkulunkulu wakhe
sure
you are saying yes kuyinto abelievela kuyona
sure
because there's no way ukuthi ungathi yes and reject entweni into umuntu akholela kuyona you understand
sure.
That's why I put lento ukuthi yes I do it's very deep
yo
it goes beyond indaba ukuthi wenzela thina sikubukile lapha ya ukuthi uyashada
sure.
wenza in it's very important but that is why I put ningathandana nomuntu nithandane libe deep uthando lweni
sure.
ningalekhi lutho
sure.
but guess what if I belief yeni ihlukile niyohlukana noma nicabane angeke kube nakuthula kuleyo relationship
sure.
because omunye there's no way but omunye abizo owakhe omunye abizo wakhe no there's no way you understand sure. So mangabe vele umuntu ukholela kumadlozi vele
umuntu okumadlozi
submit emadlozini akhe if umuntu akholela kuNkulunkulu angamhlanganisi nalutho kholelwa kulento because as you said kuzoba neingane la
sure.
and emakuba neingane omunye ubelieve ukuthi ufuna afa kuyintambo you understand sure. Because mawuthi yes kuomntwini uthi yes na kuNkulunkulu wakhe even nalo uNkulunkulu uyoba khona phezulu kweingane ozomzalela zona
sure ngoba puti baningi abantu puti more especially amongst the Christian space
sure.
Sinayo lento yokuthi sibe nabantu abasindisiweyo abathi bona bazophuma baye ngaphandle bayothola abantu ngaphandle
sure.
Simply because of me bathi yeah nina la esontweni na pretend ngeke abantu abasesontweni bayabheda ama red flags weyinceke nani but decide bona bathi bazohamba bayoshada ngaphandle bangazi ukuthi bayifaka kwini ngoba one day uyovuka la uvuswe ngo12 kuthiwa la endlini la sihamba sinqunu uthi wena usindisiwe kodwa ushade nomuntu othi ebusuku ubahamba banqunu awuna choices wami now uzokosa ubenqunu uhamba badrive benza lento lebenza because the minute you say I do I think we do not understand the power of saying I do we hardly ask ourselves I do to what because you are saying I do but do you understand what are you saying I do to if ana nokuthi umuntu puti athi sibu ngiyakuthanda wena but I hate calling yakho how come if you love me that means you will love nezinto engizenzayo you love inkolo yami you will understand who I am
mangikhothwa inyoka na
uzokhotha inyoka inkinga yabantu abaningi puti they think ukuthi bangashintsha abantu kanti for 10 years I've been doing this and wena uyafika empilweni yami ufuna ukuthi in 6 months ngeke into ngangiyenza for 10 years
let me say this thing Mfowethu and as raw as it is
say it
but
yes sir
I'm not diving but siglento
sure
sizawubuya futhi kodwa iyahlangana
sure
but mina I'm going to be honest with you
sure
umuntu wesifazane
sure
angeke uzumshintshe ezungumjida
sure
but indoda
sure
uma imthando wesifazane
sure
iyakhona ukumshintshela uma bekunezinto ezibad bekazenza kuma relationship
Sure.
na but once a man, that is why indoda umsebenzi wayo ukuthi ihambe nevision owesifazane amsize ngokombono.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Okusho ukuthi Mabunda, you can't change umuntu wesifazane. Umuntu wesifazane umthole cheat angeke uzumchange.
Sure.
Yindoda kuphela futhi nakhona umikuthanda futhi bengakuthandi ngeke izishintshe. You understand?
Sure.
So kulento lena bhuti mina I won't lie to you. And thina madoda ke si stubborn when it comes to entweni esibhilivela kuyona.
Yeah. Repeat that.
Thina si stubborn
Repeat
kulento
that.
esibhilivela kuyona. It's either uyayibelieve lento engibhilivela kuyona
Sure.
or highway.
That's it.
Yeah, because but mina I won't lie and kunenye into futhi oyithintile but there's no way Mabunda there's no way umshintsha umuntu especially umuntu okholelwa entweni akholela kuyona uthi wena no ngizomshintsha uzenza just there's no way.
Yeah. Can I speak isilungu mngana?
Sure.
I don't know whether it's a quote that I've read somewhere or what.
Yeah.
They said that the fish and the bird they can fall in love.
Yeah.
But the question is, where will they live? Because of for if fish kuze isuke emanzini iyofa. For the bird kuze isuke iyongena phakathi emanzini iphile nefish izofa. Umbuzo then uyema lo mjitalo noma kungathiwa uyamthanda he ticks all the boxes fun. He ticks all the boxes. He's gentle, he's kind. Uyamona he drives beautiful cars. But lo sis lo ticks all the boxes. But inkolo when it comes to the belief ukuthi ukholelwa kwini lo muntu lo ukhonzani lo muntu lo because of remember sometimes but there are people whose success it's as a result of their belief.
Yo. Prophet.
I'll repeat that.
Prophet.
I'll repeat that mbangeni. Kunabantu i-success yabo it is as a result ukuthi lezinto abanazo ziphuma kulento abakholela kiyo. What I mean by that, kunomjita kumanje uzokutshela straight kuze ngibe nale moto nalezindlu lezi nayo yonke lento enginayo ngangihlaba ngangenza lokhu nalokhu nenyanga yami engigqobayo every month engikhatha ngifaka something every month. Meaning to say kuze ngibe nalezinto lezi it's because of lenkolo yami. It's because of lenyanga yami umshengu wami lo uyena onginikeza lezinto enginazo. Wena uzofika ke uthi mina kwamele ngisindiswe. Umbuzo uthi ngiyisaphi le moto zami because mina ayikho enye into engiyazi and wena ucabanga ukuthi njengoba usindiswe uzofika ushintshe mina. Come on, women.
Before you say yes, you're saying yes to what?
What are you saying was to? Because you cannot expect that guy to leave his cars, to leave his houses and everything. Indlela ayithole ngazo.
Hey, but
Sure.
ziyakhala la.
Ziyakhala.
Ziyakhala. But
Sure.
hey, ifana nalento ukuthi uzothola umuntu ephuza
Sure.
ezumuntu wesifazane.
Sure.
Umthole ephuza.
Hey.
Umthole nje agalavanta.
Hey.
Umthole nje athanda ubumnandi.
Hey.
Bese uyitshela ukuthi uzomshintsha. UJesu wena.
Hayi. Wamfela wena.
But asiyeke lento yokungena othandweni nama hopes ukuthi umuntu uzomshintsha. Because at the end of the day angeke umuntu ayenze lento ofuna ukuthi ayenze. There's no way iqiniso lento esho ukuthi ifish nelokhu nje nebird azikwazi Mabunda ukuhlala ndawonye noma zingathandana niyodibanapi.
That's the question.
Kwanalento ukuthi uyabhema wena awubhemi uyakholwa ucabuzana nawo nentuthu esemlonyeni. No but hayi ukuthi siyabajaja but inakho lento yokuthi ngathi ukuthi umuntu akayithandi phakathi. I'm being for real. And Mabunda, let me be honest, as much as women will hate me about this,
say it. They already hate you.
Yeah, I'm not very.
There's nothing that you can say that
I'm on the red books.
You're on the red books.
So again, yeah, on say for right Mabunda. Mina madoketa maninga na mahawks aphe kwami. Mabunda.
Sure.
Mncinazi.
Sure.
Akufunga kodwa mina ngiyafunga.
Sure.
Akekho umjida.
Sure.
Ongashada.
Sure.
Umuntu wesifazane.
Sure.
ophuzayo
Sure.
oyematshwaleni
Sure.
obhemayo
Sure.
umjida ungathandana naye
Sure.
uthandana nawe umjida ungathandana naye wenza lezi zinto
Sure.
uthandana nawe for the street uthandana nawe ngoba efuna ukwenza i-take away
Ey,
noma ngithiwa nibhema nithini lokho ama-hub lokho kwamanje babhema ama-hub manje
Yeah.
yabo kuyaphafuzwa kwenziwa ini
Sure.
uthi hayi mina ngigroova noguy wami ngigroova nomjida wami sisi wami angeke aza kushade futhi angeke aza kulobola wena you are for the street niyohamba nonke but uma sefuna ukusetlila uyofuna umuntu ongabhemi uyofuna umuntu ongaphuzi uyofuna umuntu ongalala ama-out ayophuma ahambe ekseni ayobuya ngo-5 ekseni uma sefuna umfazi mina I'll be honest with you angeke wena zakuthatha
can I repeat something
Sure.
Mameli? Lento oceda ukuyisho manje kunabo sisi ke abahlezi ke bathi yazini indoda mina I am everything I dress nicely I cook I don't do but indoda yami injithela nomuntu ogcoka ama miniskirt obhemayo lalela siswami loya muntu unje ngoba enjalo umthandela for le strategy ingakho angekho la endlini ingakho angeke amshaya
ngeke
so ungacabanga siswami ukuthi zonke lezi zinto ezibhedayo ozenzayo ocabanga ngathi uzophuza but umuntu ohlala etshwaleni kunezinto ayibonayo zenzwa ngabafazi basematshwaleni and lezo zinto zigcina zimenza ukuthi abe ne belief system say no umuntu ophuza kusho ukuthi uyenza lezi zinto azibona labanye bazenze. Now do you think ukuthi a right guy would want to have a woman that is not hers ngoba uyazi wena wathola amasavana nje kwawena ukuthole ngamasavana u2 wathi 2 savana skirt pants now do you think ukuthi uma uthi uyophuza akacabanga ukuthi le yami le iyawa ngamasketi ngamasavana isketi siyehla ngamasketi ngoba ngayithola kanjalo so meaning say be careful nani ensindisiweyo nina energy namthanda uJesu mara nifuna ukuyoshada ngaphandle hebafana nizokhothwa inyo siyanikhuza njalo because uma ushada umuntu umthatha na yonke into anayo angeke uthi ngithanda yena but I sub minus this minus that yena uzongiunderstand
but lento but yokubelivela
sure
ukuthi kufanele umuntu mazi
sure
and uma usumazi umbone indlela yiyo
sure
lokho kukwenza ukuthi ugcine so mawumvuma
sure
umvuma based on izinto ombona yizo
sure
ifana lento nakuma interview
sure
but ama interview were made
sure
ukuthi as much as you qualify
sure
can we ask you
sure
personal things
sure
umuntu onjani
sure
uphila kanjani
sure
uhamba like what are your intentions you understand why because of kunabantu esibabone kongazi ukuthi banama qualities but at the end of the day sangadigi enough noma sangabi ne personal encounter nalabo bantu kanti kuba khona but izinto ezihlukanisa abantu kuma relationship they are not big they are small things
sure
kunabantu but abahlukanela ispoon ukuthi sawa phansi
sawa kunika ngathiwa it's over
yeah
waphela kanjani
yeah bacabanena nje ukuthi indlela ophaka ngayo waphaka nje understand
omunye kwakuyiprank
yeah iprank
bathiwa ke tshela umuntu wakho ukuthi it's over athi it's over athi danki dala ngifuna indlela ukuthi uhamba ngisayithola
understand so izinto ecabanisa abantu they are not big so izinto ezincane so iyona ke but into that I've discovered ukuthi it's very important ukuthi umuntu umazi uphume naye kuma dates umcheke umalign ukuthi umuntu onjani lo
you know inkinga yabantu abaningi nayi
input
yazi uyakhathala ukupretenda nokufake you cannot fake who you are forever but ngisho nemask noma ungayigcoka kufika la ekushisa khona uzothi yajulwa ngaphakathi lento lena bese uyayikhumula
but uthini
but baningi abantu abathandana nabantu abafake ama mask guess what, imask noma uyigcokile manga iyasiveza iskin sakho ukuthi sinjani somewhere but uyobonakala ukuthi no wena kahle you are not a yellow bone khona into uyi black bone khona la ubonakala khona no but ngisho nabo sis ningicolele angijudge ningicolele ngizoyisho lento no sisi ofaka imakeup uyobona la ukuthi umhlophe la mara la umnyama la kusho ukuthi or izandla ziveze
and lezi
asiphikiswa lezi ziyaveza what am I trying to say umuntu noma kungathiwa uzifika kangakanani there will be signs ukuthi akayona lento athi uyiyo and ungaqabanga ukuthi lento oyibonile ngalomfo akusiyo lento oyibonile hiyo injani ngoba injani ungavumeli uthando lokudeceive ungaboni udecide ukubona otherwise uthi uyabona ured law but uvumela uthando lethu pink lo ebafana iyonibulalisa lento yokuthi nifuna ukucompromiseisa inkolo yenu for other people ingcono lento ukuthi yekelani abantu aba let birds with same feathers flock together. Ubrada mfethu oyazi ukuthi Sunday yena makavuka ufuna ukuyoshaya uTimoyo ufuna ukuyochwecha athola usisi ofuna ukusigruvela
hey
bafethu what are you teaching your kids?
Yeah plan but I'm sorry ne but I have to share this thing.
Share it.
Yeah and I've once shared with you but it deep lento yokuthandana nomuntu okupretendelayo
sure
and omunye nokuyithanda ipersonality yakho ne
sure
bese apretende kwangathi uyakholelwa kwinkolo okholelwa kiyo for the sake of to have you as you said ukuthi umuntu ofaka imask
sure
uyayifaka imask akhathale
sure
bese ayikhipha
sure
there's this lady engangathandana naye wangipretendela ke siyathanda okay ngamshela yabona wangicoma naye makacoma hey mfethu everything yaba right
sure
hey mabundi sithandane nogele nasebusuku because besibonda kakhulu efonini ebusuku senza ama prayer sifunde neBhayibheli together nangobunda smile yeah it was nice man yeah like umamfundisi
yeah
kumnandi nje yabo
sure
wayenza nje lento kwaba kahle it was something that we did regular siyathandana ngithi lo communicate efonini ama verse nanani yabo uya pretend mina ngisho ukuthi phela uyibambe khona kanti uya pretend kwathi ngelinye ilanga ngo-New Year angisho ngo-New Year nokuba nomuntu wakho i-New Year phela vele ngo-New Year umuntu wakhe engekho nawe unomuntu wakhe I'm sorry
akuthi ube sontweni ukuthi
abanye but baba sesontweni yeah sidlule lapho mabunda buye okay
uma ngo-New Year umuntu wakhangana angekho nawe unomuntu wakhe isave le video le noyidinga ngeyi-31st
yeah so what happened is saba sonke ke during that time
sure
kwaba kwashawu 12 angisho ngo-12 yazi kuyathandazwa
sure
noma kuthiwa abanye basotshwaleni benza ini they remove everything babe nesikhathi sabo noJehova washaya u12 5 4 3 2 1 0 ama cricket guess what as usual it was my first time ngicamla unyaka naye
sure
ngiyedolweni ngithandaza engimbiza uNkulunkulu engithandaze but ngishayilimi
sure
sisters ba wangithinta la guess what hey baba uyaras uyaras
ayibo the very same one nanomthumela ama scripture na
yeah sasithumelana and hey baba uyaras yekela lento okay guess what at first mangithinta thi ngiyaras I thought it's a joke
sure.
I continued ngathandaza shut up Mabunda, that's when I realized but kunabantu abeza empilweni yakho bafaka ama mask
Sure.
benze kwangazi ukuthi banawe kanti abekho nawe
Sure.
but umuntu uyakhathala ukupretend. That is why but athi umuntu besithandana kahle all along washintsha akashintsha ngabeka pretender along the way ngoba kwalento ukuthi aloko because but ungizwe kahle umuntu opretendayo kusuke kunento ayifunayo kuwena umbuzo wayithola kwenzakalani
yo
kuphela iappetite yokupretenda
aziveza
kuvele yena athi nje
you know khona statement esithandwa ukusho abosisi
Sure.
uthi if you love me you'll come with me to church. Listen cha ngizwe kahle abosisi if you love me you'll come with me to church. Guess what?
Sure.
The guy will come with you
he will show up
just because he wants to win your heart. But the truth is one day uzokubuza umbuzo uthi ayi wena mfethu ngathi ama demand wakho maningi did you say ukuthi ungifuna esontweni angizange ngaye angithande into yakho ngaya ngenxa ukuthi ngithanda wena ebafethu deep lento bafethu ukuthi be careful of ama traits nama personalities womuntu wakho umbuzo but if you are a woman and an umuntu wakho makaholile into ekuma top priorities imali yokuqala ikhiphayo imali yotshwala and wena uzitshela ukuthi uzofika empilweni yakhe ushintshe lo muntu lona ushintshe ischedule sakhe emfethu uyambona lo sisi uyabhema believe me mang ungamtshela uthi angithanda into yakho yokubhema angeke asabhema phambi kwakho kodwa angeke umyekise ukuthi angabhema so kunezinto angeke azenze phambi kwakho kodwa akusho ukuthi akazenzi uyazenza so be careful ebafethu angeke mangu bese ucabanga ngathi kwangathi uzofika empilweni nami ungishintshise lento engiyiyo baba if it happens that I'm a preacher that's who I am ungithole ngiyenza lento why do you think ukuthi I'm going to change who I am to please you ebafethu teach yourself both men and women teach yourself to take a person as they are and say you know what you are a good guy you are a gentleman but lento yakho kushumayela angiyizwa asiyeke mfethu you know yourself sisi yazini ngiyakuthanda but uyavutha wena uyivuthisa and ngiyakubona uhamba ngamandla kaNkulunkulu uyashumayela but I cannot stand that kusiza ngani kuze ngipretende kwangathi ngizoyibekezela lento yakho in the long run you cannot stand for it
you can't
but one of the things I'm sorry to include this thing one of the things that I've noticed for example you know yourself musbu or ngumabunda or let me put it in a general way ngisebenzise abantu bangazimiswa you know ukuthi umsebenzi we DJ require kuze every week from Friday
akekho endlini uyozabuye Monday
and wamthola lo muntu ey DJ what makes you to think ukuthi ke manje ke kuzokosa umyekise lento ayiyo hayi bafethu
yazi but lento it makes me now to have an answer
sure
yokuthi thola ukuthi umuntu bekagude ku career yakhe
sure
before adibana nalo girl bekagude ku ministry uNkulunkulu ambizele yona
sure
before adibana no girl
sure
but anele angazashade bese kuba I downfall it's because mabunda sithandane nabantu
sure
aba pretend ongathi bayithanda into esiyenzayo
sure
kanti abayithandi bangenela ukuzobulala lento uJehova ubizele yona
sibu I hear you.
You understand? So that's what I've discovered as we talk ileyo into engiyibonayo but because mina I believe ukuthi uma ungithola ngenza into ethize and wayithanda lento engiyenzayo akuthi mhlambe uma ungithola ngiyenza bengu level 4 but uma ngabe umuntu ohambo lwami ngizothi mangidibana nawe ngizokhuphuka ngehle ngiye ku level 7 excel kulento engiyenzayo
sure
you understand mabona there's no way
you know Buti before you go ahead you are giving me an answer
sure
that someone out there is looking for this is the answer
sure.
You are asking yourself why is your partner unhappy why is your partner always frustrated why is your partner always feeling like khona into engekho right ngami umbuzo ke uthi umthole enzani empilweni yakhe le yayimphilisa umthole enzani le yayimfulfilla ngoba mango uma uzosusa umuntu entweni emenza ukuthi abe fulfilled the minute angasayenzi ugcina aba grumpy aba frustrated because akayenzi lento emphilisayo. What do I mean by that? You're wondering why is your partner always frustrated now? Kodwa magana bosipho uyajabula because bayadakwa lena bosipho wena umlethe wazomfaka endlini kanti into le yayilethe injabulo kuye yilento yokuhamba eFriday ayogroove umthola ahamba into beyimfulfilla leyo nto. Same applies to us. Ungithole ngisindisiwe mfethu and njengoba ngisindisiwe imvuselelo yinto zami ama night prayer yinto zami
ngiphila ngayo.
The minute ufika empilweni yami ungiyekisa lento engenza ukuthi ngiphile engenza ukuthi ngijabule ucabanga ngathi ngizohlala nawe ngijabulile ungiyekise lento engiyifunayo.
There's no way. So perfect, understand some of the things that sisithola phakathi emshadweni kuma relationship ezenza ukuthi abantu bangabe fulfilled izinto esibayekise zona. In fact, wangithola I was on my path to becoming a doctor. I was passionate about healing. I was passionate ngale career engina. Kwafika wena ngikutshela ukuthi but mina ipath yami le I want to become a doctor, I want to become bese wena uthi ungiyekisa lento engithandayo. Do you think ukuthi after sengiyekile lento engithandayo ngithandana nawe are you gonna fulfill space le yanto lebe ngiyenza? There's no way
you can't.
You can't.
Hence I will always be frustrated now because mangibona wena ngibona umbulani you killed my passion man. You killed my dreams man. Ingakho kunabafazi namhlanje futhi aba frustrated both emshadweni nama relationship mababheka amadoda or why ngabona lo muntu ngidibane naye but when I look at this person I'm not happy because I see a killer of my dreams. Yeah.
As but can I say this thing?
Sure.
Ngiyazi abaningi bazongizonda
uzonde njalo
bangizonde kunjalo.
Aqala ukuzonda kumakhwapheni. Ayikho into yakho.
Ungayilapho.
Kumakhwapheni langinyanyana wafuna ukubona.
Bengingazi kani kune career kumakhwapheni. Yeah. But
sure.
Ave kubhlungu ukuthandana nepartner.
Sure.
Engakuprioritize.
Yo.
Ekwenza ube option.
Yo.
Not a choice. And umuntu onjalo into engishaya ngayo ukuthi uma sezimshaya.
Sure.
Lazi imshaya khona.
Sure.
Ubuya kuwena sema sezimphelele amanzi soma samshela ubuya kuwena because anyway you are an option. Iyafana nalento ukuthi as a woman
sure
uthandane nomjito umbuild
sure
umphushe
sure
umpress
sure
umtholano nothing
sure
athi mathandana nabe na something
sure
and lo sifazana lokuya believe ukuthi ngiyathandwa yet izenzo zikamjita zithi opposite you are not a priority. Mina ngizwe kahle but there's no way ungaba nomuntu for 30 years
sure
uhambe ngama Lamborghini
sure
ushintsha ama BMW
sure
ushintsha ama Mercedes Benz
sure
azabe nemali yokwenza amanye ama businesses
sure
kodwa angacabangi ukuyovela ekhaya
yo and imali ikhona
imali ikhona but inkinga akayenzi lento kube yipriority kwangazi ukuthi in fact angeke ngireward ngiyovela kini
sure
because wangithola nginalutho
sure
wangisupporta wangenza utho
sure
uzuthenga imoto uzuhlulela nokhipha u30,000 yovela ekhaya ukurespect umndeni
sure
no sithi mshade angikhona bangabelieve ukuthi akasha lobola ke vela because mina I won't lie to you abafazi noma bangaqamba amanga
sure
it is in every woman's dream
sure
every you iphupho ukuthi
one day
okumuntu nje ayohlonipha abazali bami bazali bami bake badla imali ukuthi bangikhulisa kahle
sure
mina I'm telling you siswami namhlanje straight talk this is a real talk akakuncanywa lo mjidi
yo
akakuncanywa futhi when bozo sponsora yena
sure
and the worst uma elokathenga le imoto kule imoto futhi ushintshana namantombazana njoba angafuni ukukulobola kunabantu abazolimala uma angeza ukuthi wena ulobole wena.
Sure.
Because mabunda I discovered abanye abantu abenza izinto
Sure.
ingoba abenza izinto eziserious
Sure.
ingoba ba protect ama feelings abanye abantu. This is a
Sure.
real talk mabunda, I've just spoken.
It's just spoken. Drop the mic. This is why, but it comes with this very important.
Sure.
This goes to both genders, both female and female.
I'm glad you are balances.
I want to bring both genders to this particular equation to say ungavumi ukungena inside a relationship or a friendship where ku prioritize ama needs of one person. Kutheni mango sizongena ku relationship and ama goals abalulekile awakho awami kwamele angasabaluleki, meaning to say the minute we enter inside the relationship both our goals are important.
There must be.
Let's find a common ground whereby as much as support and pusha kulento yenzayo, find a way to support me in what I'm doing. Angazi if it makes sense, because of sinabantu namhlanje bhuti abathi ngamthola engelutho. Umbuzo ukuthi while you were building him, why were you not also investing to yourself? Why should we prioritize our needs of one person in a relationship? Bafethu, I mean, I'll be honest with you, women out there, we are living in the 21st century. Never prioritize our needs when daughter
More than yours.
if yena akawa prioritize our. It's better to prioritize someone's need only if they prioritize your need. Let's find a common ground whereby I say I understand ingakho but masicala sithe kuyingozi but ukushada umuntu that is not in your belief system or ama visions which they don't align, ama passion when they don't align, because of if my vision and your vision they don't match as hlangani, so uzothi ufuna kuyosontweni mina ngifuna kuyogroove. You get what I'm saying? And manje mina ngumfundisi ku wrong uze ngifike esontweni isitulo sami amfundisi asikho uma mfundisi le it's very bad. Hence we say it's better to marry someone uma umbona na uzicheka, you realize that our vision and our mission, our personalities they click, they blend. Ama patience work and ama patience ones they click. Lo muntu akekho against what I do. Now I'm not against what she loves, but the challenge we have in our generation now, we prioritize one person's needs over the other. Let me prioritize your needs, but also find a way to balance my needs. To say, Vedu, I love you and I support you. And also, as much as we support you and you love me, how about we find a way to say, this month I will support you on your passion. Next month you support me on my passion. Do you understand what I love and what I hate?
As
Real talk.
Yeah, real talk. Ukungcono bhuti sibe namabhabhalazi.
So true.
Asesontweni ama all night prayer.
Yeah.
O sibe namabhabhalazi whatsoever sotshwaleni la sibhabhalaza khona.
So true.
Nebhabhalazi yasotshwaleni. Wena unebhabhalazi yasosontweni. There's no way. There's no way.
Cause understand mama. Ngizothi mangifika mina ngishaya ibhabhalazi yasetshwaleni. Mangifika lapho uyabona nje ngifuna ukugidla. Wena ufuna ukugeza
Esontweni. Then ziyaklasha la senilwa khona. Yeah. And nakona moyo esontweni uthi emadodeni.
You get what I'm saying? So bafethu understand lento kubaluleke kangakanani to know a person deeply.
And but let me say this thing. Angazi how far are we? Is it on phone yakho?
Madoda.
Okay. Yeah, it's
on.
I think it's a little 3 minutes.
Sure.
Let me say this thing, Ngiyami.
Sure.
Yabona masakhuluma ngale ndaba le ukuthi kusupport umuntu oyedwa ku relationship aphumelele financially. Wena lokho uyamsupport but yena akakusupport.
Sure.
Uyazi mabunda enye yezinto awuthi ngilungisa isigcoko umuntu ngiyami. Yeah. Uyazi enye yezinto eyenza ukuthi lo osupportwayo angamsupport lo wakhe.
Sure.
It's because abanye banama insecurities.
I almost said a certain word, man.
Why? Because uba nalento ukuthi maye ngaphumelela lo uzongishintshela acome abe namadoda or abe nabafazi. kuyingozi bhuti ukuthandana nomuntu onama insecurities empumelelo yakho
Yo.
nibe nithandana wena lokumshayela izandla phumelele yethu wena uzange waba namona wamsupport uphumelela kulento but mase kukose wena asupporte wena abe nento ukuthi hayi wena uzocoma lemsebenzini hayi wena uzongiphakamela masusene imali ukuthi I must suffer mina
just to feed
to cheer you up mina yet I'm down no but masiphakama siphame soyithu
you know mawukhuluma somba mango you making me to realize that kunendoda kumanje as we speak izinto zayo azikahlangani but aside lomfazi kuyathembisa but ama insecurity ayenze indoda ingavumi ukusupporta lomfazi kulezi zinto ezihlanganayo ngoba eyitshela ukuthi uzothola amadoda la yohlanganisa khona kanti kubalulekile bafethu ake ngimtshele do you know ukuthi ukungamthembi umuntu kugcina kumenze achite kwamampela noma bengachite ebuti kusiza ngani ukuthi every time mangibuye ekhaya you are saying uvele emadodeni you are saying uvele bafazini you are always accusing me of something that I'm not doing. Why not do it so that you can be able to say mawuthi ngizela lapha vele ngivela khona ngoba angenza into practical. Why should you last man? I wish I had given you a real slap because that was nothing. So sometimes puti ukuthemba umuntu kunokumfasa kundlula ungamthembi ukuthatha i-risk umthemba umuntu. Do you know ukuthi umuntu sometimes unokungafuni ukudisappoint simply because of uyamthemba but ukungamthembi kwakho kumgcina enze lento ongakosanga ayenze kunabantu namhlanje but believe me mango they were never cheaters they were never people that were but ama insecurity wakho that you projected on them unmotivated ayenze leyo nto. Listen to us guys, we are not encouraging cheating, we are against cheating. Azwana leyo nto iyalimaza leyo nto, it breaks, we've seen it what it does to a person, we've seen it cheating yambulala umuntu ephila. We do not encourage that, but your insecurities zokuthi lo muntu lo angayi emsebenzini uthi manje akasayi emsebenzini umyekisa nasemsebenzini hayi ngoba kukhona into but because of when you're insecure sometimes you should just allow your woman to grow. You should allow your men to grow and support them regardless of your fears. If they grow and they disappoint you, it's fine. At least you have played your role as a man or a woman in their lives.
Yazi puti sesizovala.
Sure.
Kwesinye isikhathi kunomuntu lokuyazama.
Sure.
Ukuphumelela.
Sure.
Ipartner yakhe yenza kahle.
Sure.
But yena umsebenzi akawutholi.
Sure.
Izinto azihlangani.
Sure.
But umlingani wakhe.
Sure.
Things are good. Take a moment and shut down everything. Uyeke yonke into.
Sure.
Umbiza ahlale la.
Sure.
Bese uyambuza. Sithandwa sami, nkosikazi wami, mini wami. Awungibambanga ngenhliziyo. Ukuthi awufuni ngiphumelele na. Because sononza uyakhandleka wena ufuna in. Kuyifase la ekhaya. Kunabantu bhuti mfethu abacabanga ukuthi into zabo zifaswe kuphi omalume kanti zifaswe umuntu othandana naye.
Wena mawuphuma ekseni uthi kuma interview umthandazo ukuthi awungawutholi
ungawutholi umsebenzi ngoba unama insecurities. Hlala phansi umbuze mfethu please usho ngicela ungikhulule uma kuthi uyabhodla ngicela ungikhulule bless me because mina put I won't lie this thing called surrounding it matters. Sometimes nokuyitshela ukuthi sibanjwe ngaphandle kanti sibanjwe ngama surrounding sivale
emango sesivala yazi ikhona enye into engake ngayibona.
Sure.
I'm going to close this thing with a bang. It's a bang but it's a painful story.
Okay.
Do you know bafethu men and women specifically amajita because of I've experienced this thing personally. Ayikho into ebuhlungu kufana nokuqalekiswa umuntu omthandayo ene angakhulumanga ukuthi uyaqalekisa but inyembezi azikhalayo ngenxa yempumelelo yakho zigcine zikwenze ukuthi iminyango ivaleke. What do I mean? Lo muntu othandana naye uyakuthanda genuinely but akayithandi lento oba yiyo mawunemali eningi. As a result umthandazo wakhe uthi akabe nemali but ayingabi iningi ngoba the vision that you become mawunemali eningi iyakuhlanyisa iyakudestroya ikwenza ukuthi ugijimisa abafazi left and right and agcine afase ngenhliziyo yakhe nangenyembezi zakhe so lo muntu lona imali mayikhona she becomes something else. Ngconi bencane. Same applies to amadoda mvangeli. Kunamadoda akhona ukuvala iminyango yabafazi babo. Ngenxa yalezi zinto zokuthi lo mfazi lona uma anemali uyangiphakamela. Uma anemali asithi ku wrong wash idish but ungwashisa indish uyangiklinisa ungenzisa zonke lezi zinto angangenzisi zona uma imali ikhona. Do you understand? Now indoda igcine ikhale kabhlungu because of angimthandi umfazi wami uma izinto zimhambela kahle ngoba kanhloniphi kungcono imali ingabi khona. Yebo kunabantu abayohlala endaweni yokuhlupheka till bafe as long as basana labo bantu ngoba the both of you inhliziyo zenu azifundi omunye aphumelele nalo akafundi aphumelele nisithola senisafara. It doesn't matter ukuthi ni try in but inhliziyo zenu zinenza nisafare forever.
Yazi lento oyishoyo buthi there was a video ngingadibana nayo.
Sure.
Uthi lo sisi lona ngiyamthanda umyeni wami my broke. Because ngiba naye. But imali ngazibe khona akabi nami uyagalavanta wenza yonke into.
Ingakho ma mina I'll say this thing kunenye video ngiya understand le umseleku bekayisho
uthi umseleku
wathi umseleku angazi ngabe yakhonakala nebhuti ne ngabe uzofaka lo tuti kulento engizoyisho la wabona khale tuti but wathi athi futhi athi ngayisho the way wayisho ngakhona wathi umseleku angiyazi mina ukuthi i private party enjani eyongenza ngithatha imali yakamseleku nginikeze yena lo muntu esifazana. So wayebeka ngesizulu so wathi angiyazi ukuthi intuthi enjani engangenza ngithatha imali yabantwana bami nginikeze lo. Do you know mjita wami one of the reasons why izinto zingeke zihlangane ingoba uthatha imali that was supposed to be used ekhaya sebenze ngaphandle. If you want to suffer as a man do that. Use money that is supposed to take off your family on a wrong place. You will see what is suffering.
Real talk with Amadoda Nyasumuzi. We love you so much guys. 064 6200 751 for those who wanna sponsor, for those who wanna give. It's Capitec bafowethu leyo 064 6200 751. Santhanda bafowethu uNkulunkulu abenani aphendule imithandazo yenu. Uma bekhona olimele sorry because iqiniso liyamphilisa umuntu.
Come back to the next episode sizokuphila.
Yeah.